Hello! I thought I'd do a little daily update because I've not done one for a while. I'm leaving. It's currently 7 something AM on Tuesday, I think. And at 11 AM I'm setting off and going around the bill. So it might be a head sail only day. The wind's still gusting maybe 17 to 20, something like that. It's not really a great angle, and it's not really a great time to do it. It's not too bad. So yeah, going around Portland Bill and trying not to die. I'm going around the inshore passage and also trying not to die and trying not to hit pots and stuff. If you're not from the UK and you don't know about Portland Bill, it's an exciting piece of water. I'm looking forward to it. Part of me wants to go through the races just for the shits and giggles. I'll probably keep that part of me in a box, so I probably won't. I'm going to share a link to the RYA I'm going to share a link to the RYA Safe Tracks app so you can track where I am going around. I'm going to go around the bill, come back up, anchor off Chesil Beach, Chesil Cove for the night, and then tomorrow morning head up to West Bay, anchor behind the breakwater there. I'm not going into the marina thing. Anchor behind the breakwater there for a few days until Saturday, I think, and on Saturday I'll head down towards either Exmouth or Torbay, or is it Torbay, or whatever like that. The ship is 75% ship shape. I just need to get rid of some rubbish. Ignore the forepeak, it's just full of storage crap. I got rid of my dinghy and bought this instead. It's a kayak, inflatable kayak. So yeah, I'm gonna have a kayak instead of a dinghy because the dinghy basically occupied all of that forepeak near enough, and I wouldn't have been able. I couldn't get to the anchor locker or anything. So if something had gone wrong, I'd have been screwed. So now I can, sort of, ish. I think that's about it. Yeah, so I'm on my way. You'll find out this evening if I died or not. Hopefully the video will be up on Patreon tonight or tomorrow, and then YouTube on Friday. Something like that. Because as you can probably imagine, I don't spend very much time editing them. I just cobble crap together and hope for the best. Right, doing a waffle again. Do you want to see outside? Not much to see, it's just a marina and stuff. Not a bad day for it. Oh, I put a little thing on now. Can you see it? Kaboosh. Look, I've got a little wind indicator. Yeah. Anyway, stop waffling. See you guys tonight if I don't do a dying. Auf Wiedersehen.